let us go with our new topic, properties of triangles. From the properties of triangles, we will get maximum 3 or 4, maximum 4 marks for 4 questions. Before we doing the problem, we can discussing one method, shortcut method. It is a very useful for maximum problems in this topic. That is the magical triangle. Magic triangle. Magic triangle means here we can taking the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, we can using equilateral triangle for all the problems. Okay, maximum we can using the shortcut method like this. Now ABC is an equilateral triangle. Here we have definitely each angle, every angle should be 60 degrees, and also sides are equal. Okay, clearly we have here A equals to B equals C equals to 60 degrees, and also A equals to B equals to C equals also we can taking 1. Taking any one. Actually A and B, C are equals to each other. For more convenience, you can taking all are equals to 1 unit. Okay. Now S equals to semi perimeter. Okay. Let A plus B plus C by 2. Then here 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. Clearly S equals to 3 by 2. Remember, S equals to 3 by 2. Okay. Now delta. Now area of the equilateral triangle. Area of the equilateral triangle is under root 3 by 4 A square actually. But A equals to substitute 1. Now it one becomes as a 1. Then delta equals to root 3 by 4. S delta, and also we can using capital R. Yes or no? Then capital R equals to actually ABC by 4R. Sorry, 4 delta. Actually delta equals to, that is the ABC by 4R. So then R equals to, capital R equals to ABC by 4 delta. Okay. Now ABC by 4 delta equals to, then 1 into 1 into 1 by 4, delta equals to root 3 by, okay, root 3 by 4. 4 get cancelled, then that is a 1 by root 3. Capital R equals to 1 by root 3. Okay. And also we can use a small r, R1, R2, R3 like that. Okay. Now what about small r? Okay. Then how to get R, small r? By using these S and delta and capital R. Here R equals to delta by SSR, no? Then delta equals to root 3 by 4 by S equals to 3 by 2. Yes or no? S equals to 3 by 2. 2 2s. Then root 3 by 2 into, now it one becomes as a 1 by 3. Yes or no? Okay. Now root 3 is a. Then R equals to 1 by 2 root 3. Remember, R equals to 1 by 2 root 3. And small R1 equals to delta by S minus A. Yes or no? Then delta equals to, clearly we know, root 3 by 4. Then S minus A, 3 by 2 minus A means 1. That is a nothing but 1 by, okay, 3 minus 2 is a 1 by 2. Okay, it is a 1 by 2. 2 2s are, then that equals to root 3 by 2. Okay. Similarly, R2, R3 also be root 3 by, okay, yes or no? Because of S minus B also be 1 by 2. S minus C also be 1 by 2. Then R1 equals to, R2 equals to, R3 equals to root 3 by 2. Okay. Now these are the shortcut methods for maximum problems of the properties of triangles. Okay, let we apply these conditions and values. S and delta capital R, small r, R1, R2, R3. Okay, let apply once again. We remember okay, whenever the magical triangle is applied, then we should take the values a equals to b equals to c equals to 60, a equals to b equals to c equals to 1, okay, then small s equals to what, 3 by 2, remember s equals 3 by 2, then delta equals to s equals to 3 by 2, delta equals to root 3 by 4, capital R equals to 1 by root 3, and small r equals to 1 by 2 root 3, and R1, R2, R3 is a root 3 by, okay. You can applying these values for our problem. Let us go with our problems by using our shortcut method, that is a magic triangle method. Okay, by using magic triangle we know the values of S and delta capital R, small r, R1, R2, R3. Okay, let us apply. Given problem is in a triangle ABC, every problem belongs to one triangle ABC. Okay, here the sigma sin of b minus c by bc equals to what? Okay, clearly we know number of formulas are there. Okay, but we can applying the shortcut methods. Okay, here applying the magic triangle, clearly we know a equals to b equals to c, every angle equals to each other, then b equals to c, then b minus c equals to 0. Yes or no? Okay, let's suppose here, then sigma sin of b minus c should be 0 by bc is nothing but suppose 1 into 1, then that equals to sigma sin 0 is a 0. Yes or no? That is a 0. Okay, now our option is not a delta, not a s, not a s square. Option is 0. Okay, now second problem. Second one also same like that. Here also in a triangle ABC, sigma b square minus c square by a cos a equals to what? Okay, the options are s, 0, delta and 2 delta. Okay, sorry. Let here also same, a equals to b equals to c definitely, and b equals to c, then b square equals to c square, b square minus c square equals to 0. Then apply sigma b square minus c square, it should be 0, then it is a 1, and cos 0 is a 1, then that equals to 0. 0 into something is a 0. Okay, then sigma 0 is a 0. Okay, second option. Okay, then in a triangle ABC, sigma a cube cos b minus c equals to what? Okay, as usual b equals to c, then b minus c equals to 0. Here sigma a cube, that means 1 cube, let cos 0, it is a sigma 1. Sigma 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. We have 3 are there. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, so that's why 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is a 3. But 3 is not in option. Yes or no? Now it is a ABC, 2ABC, 3ABC, and fourth one is a 0. Here we can also apply the values in options also, verify the options related to the answer. Okay, let ABC equals to, it is a 1 into 1 into 1 equals to 1. Yes or no? Now it is a 2 into 1 into 1 is a 2. It is a 3 into 1 into 1 is a 3. Then it is a 0. Okay. Now 3 ABC equals to is a 3. Now it is a 3. Now option is third one. Our option is third one. Okay. Let In a triangle ABC, then fourth one, in a triangle ABC, b square sin 2c plus c square sin 2b equals to what? Okay, let apply here also same like that. Now here 2c, a equals to b equals to c, b equals to c, and also b equals to c equals to also 1. Okay, by magic triangle, remember magic triangle means equilateral triangle. Okay, right. Now apply b square 1 square sin 2c, sin 2 into b equals c equals what? 60 degrees, yes or no? 60, then 2 into 60 plus c square is a 1 square sin 2 into 60, then that equals to is a sin 120 plus sin 120. Okay, sin 120 equals what? We know sin 120 it should be sin of 180 minus 60, yes or no? It is a 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant as sine, so that is a positive. For 180 sine is the same ratio, sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2, yes or no? Now here it is a root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Then what about this? Root 3 by 2. 2 root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3. But in option like this problem, which one? We know delta equals to what? Delta equals to root 3 by 4. By magic triangle, root 3 by 4. Then 2 delta equals to root 3 by 4, 2 into 2, that is a root 3 by 2. Not a root 3. Okay. 4 delta equals 4 into root 3 by 4, then 4 get cancelled. Now it is a root 3. Okay. Now option is definitely it should be third one. Let us check fourth one, that is a root 3 by 2 by 2. So that is a root 3 by 4. Yes or no? So option is third one. Okay. Now these are the problems by magic triangle, and also we will see more problems by magic triangle in this video. Okay. Let us continue. Okay, let us do more problems. In a triangle ABC, if a cos a plus b cos b plus c cos c equals to 2 delta by k, then what about k? Options are 2, capital R, S, R square. Okay. Let here also applying magic triangle. A equals to b equals c equals to 60. Then cos a equals what? Cos 60 equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, remaining also 1 by 2. Yes or no? Okay. Let apply here. Now it is a 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 equals to 3 by 2. But that equals to 2 delta by k. Okay. Then k equals what? K equals to, bring this side, that is a 2 delta into 3 by 2 becomes as a 2 by 3. Okay. But we have delta equals what? Delta equals to root 3 by 4. Okay. We should remember the values delta, capital R, S, small r, R1, R2, R3. Okay. 2 by 3. 2, 2, 4 cancel. Now root 3 is the 1 by root 3 equals to what? Capital R. Okay. K equals to capital R. Which option? Second option. Okay. And next one. In a triangle ABC, 4 cos a by 2, cos b by 2, cos c by 2. Okay. Here also applying the same method, magic triangle. Now options are delta, S, small r, 2s. Okay. Then here we know r equals to 1 by 3. Then first of all cos a by 2 equals to cos a equals to, if a equals to 60, then a by 2 equals to 30 equals to root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Apply here. Similarly, remaining also be same like this. Okay. Then 4 into, now it is a 1 by root 3. It is a root 3 by 2. Now it is a root 3 by 2. Okay, and also one more root 3 by 2. Okay, let root 3 get cancelled. For 2 2's 1 4 cancel. Now here 3 by 2. Then 3 by 2 means which one? Delta or S or R 2S. Remember, 3 by 2 equals to, it should be S. Definitely that is a S. S equals to 3 by 2. Delta equals to root 3 by 4. Small r equals to 1 by 2 root 3. 2S equals to 3. Okay. Now option is second one. Let us go with the next one. In a triangle ABC, if r square cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 equals to. Here also same. Cot A by 2 equals, first of all, cot A by 2 equals what? Cot 30. Yes or no? Now it is a cot 30. Cot 30 equals to, just remember tan 30. It is a 1 by root 3. Now cot 30 is a root 3. Yes or no? Okay. Then r square equals to 1 by 3. Yes. R equals, small r equals to, sorry, 1 by 2 root 3. 1 by 2 root 3. Then it is a 1 by 2 root 3 whole square. Now root 3 to root 3 into root 3. 1 by 2 root 3 whole square. Now write down 4 into 3 because of square is there. Okay. Now root 3 into root 3, 3 root 3. 3 3 get cancel. Root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 is nothing but, yes, delta. Okay. Delta. Our option is first one. Here we have delta, 2 delta, 4 delta, delta by 2. Then our option is, our answer is delta. Okay, first. Next. In a triangle ABC, if 4RR cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2 equals to, then options are R2 plus R3 into secant square A by 2, second one R1 R2 R3, and third one delta, fourth one S. Okay. Let's see. Here we know clearly cos A by 2 equals to root 3 by 2. Same here also. 4 into capital R equals to 1 by root 3. Small r equals to 1 by 2 root 3. Cos A by 2 equals to cos A by 2 root 3 by 2. Similarly, remaining also root 3 by 2. For 2 root 3's cancel 2 root 3's. Okay. For 2 2's 1 4 cancel. Then that equals to what? Here we have root 3 by 2 into 2, 4. Root 3 by 4 is nothing but what? Delta. Our option is third one. Okay. Okay. Let us go with more problems. Okay, let us see more problems. Here P1, P2, P3 are respectively the perpendiculars from the vertex of triangle ABC to the opposite sides. Suppose the triangle is like this. Always we can apply in the magic triangle. So the triangle from A, suppose from A to the opposite side, that is a 1 opposite side, it is a one perpendicular, say it is a P1. Okay. So P1 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Because of height of the equilateral triangle should be root 3 by 2 units. Yes or no? So root 3 by 2 is nothing but R1. Yes or no? Okay. So P1 equals to P2 equals P3, and also similarly P2 equals R2, P3 is the R3. Okay. Shall I apply here? Definitely we shall. Then 1 by R1, it is a 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. We know 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, it should be 1 by R, because of it is one of the formula. Okay. Don't apply the values. because of all are equal. All are means 2, 3, 4 are equal. Okay, except 1 by r. Okay, so options are 1 by r, 1 by r1, 1 by r2, 1 by r3. That's why then the sum of these all 2 equals to 1 by r. Our option is first one. Okay, now next one. In a triangle ABC, if r1 plus r2 into r2 plus r3 into r3 plus r1 equals to 4rk. Okay, now it is like previous problem. Here also we can apply formulas. R1 plus R2, it should be root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, now it is a root 3 into root 3 into root 3 equals to 3 root 3. Now 3 root 3 in which one? Okay, s or delta square or s square. Now equals to which one? Let us see. Now s is nothing but 3 by 2. Okay, so wait. 3 root 3 equals to, we have one more, that is a 4rk. Yes or no? Okay, but k equals to 4rk. Now here 3 root 3, right here, 3 root 3 equals to 4 into r means 1 by root 3 into k. Okay, then now this one becomes as a k equals to root 3 becomes 3 root 3 into root 3 by 4. 3 into 3, root 3 into root 3 is a 3, 3 into 3, 9 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2 whole square, yes or no? Now 3 by 2 is nothing but s square. Okay, our option is fourth one. Okay, and next one, 11th one. In an equilateral triangle, small r is to r, capital R is to r1 is which one? Options are 1 is to 1 is to 1, 1 is to root 3 is to 3, 1 is to 2 is to 3, 2 is to root 3 is to root 3. Okay, here also we can apply formulas, values. R is nothing but root 3 by, 1 by 2 root 3. Capital R equals to 1 by root 3. Small r1 equals to root 3 by, okay. These are fractions. So that's why multiplying with the LCM of denominators. LCM is a what? 2 root 3, 2. So definitely that is a 2 root 3. 1 by 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. 1 by root 3 into 2 root 3. Root 3 by 2 into 2 root 3. Okay. Now 2 root 3 is cancel. Root 3 cancel. 2 cancel. Okay. Now here 1 is a 1 into 2. Root 3 into root 3 is a 3. Our option is third one. Okay. Now 12th one, last one. In a triangle ABC, if A cot A plus B cot B plus C cot C, it is also same like previous problem. Options are R plus capital R minus capital R, 2 into R plus capital R, 2 into R minus capital R. Okay. Let here A equals B equals to 1 and capital A equals to B equals C equals to 60. Then 1 into cot 60 equals what? Cot 60 equals to 1 by root 3. Then 1 into 1 by root 3 is a 1 by root 3 and plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 equals to 3 by root 3. Then that is the root 3. Now root 3 is equals to which option? Let's see. R means 1 by 2 root 3 plus capital R equals to 1 by root 3. This is a 1 by 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is a LCM. Now here we can taking 1 plus here 2. Okay. 3 by 2 root 3. Small r plus capital R equals 3 by 2 root 3. But here we have 3 by root 3. Then how to get that one? By multiplying 2, definitely, yes or no? So the option is definitely it should be 2 into R plus R, because of 2 into 3 by 2 root 3, the 2 get cancelled. Now remaining is a 3 by root 3 is a root 3. So the option is third one. Okay. Let us see more problems in next video. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want any doubt, please mention in comment box.